control.
Okay guys, so let's proceed with the next problem. So basahin natin. So determine the stress in each rod after the block is attached and the temperature of all bars increased by 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So given here is the table for each material. So dito sa mga dulo nila, meron siyang steel rod na nakakabit with a length of 2 feet, and do sa gitna you have a bronze rod which has a length of 3 feet. Aside from that, meron ka dito na 12 kips load na dinadala nung ating tatlong rod. Okay, so first, sabi nga, 'di ba tanggalin mo muna yung mga support niya. So ang gagawin ko, isa-section ko siya dito. So puputulin natin siya dito. Okay, so i-drawing muna natin. So habang nagdo-drawing, mag-music muna kayo. Ano?
Ako'y saya, ikaw ay akin. Ganda mo sa paningin. Ako ngayon nag-isa. Sana ay tabihan na sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw na buwan. Pakinggan mo ang aking sigaw sa dilaw na buwan.
Okay. So as shown here in the diagram, so again, nag-section ako dito. So gaya ng ginagawa natin before, medyo in-exage ko lang yung drawing. So nung hinati ko siya sa dalawang free body diagram, so dito sa baba, yung ating rod, yung steel rod, bronze rod, and steel rod, carries this 12 kips load. So ibig sabihin, if ito ay pataas dito, therefore ito, meron kang pababa. So this is your P steel, and then this is your P bronze, then this is your P steel. Okay, so because of this axial load P, magkakaroon siya ng axial deformation. And at the same time, because of this increase in temperature, so nag-increase ka, 'di ba? Ano ba nangyayari kapag umiinit? 'Di ba? Humahaba siya. Okay. So because of that increase in temperature, hahaba rin siya considering the increase in temperature. So anong una natin gagawin? So considering this FBD diagram, so pangalanan na lang natin siyang FBD1. So considering FBD1, so maaagawa tayo ng equation. So what equation are we going to use? What equilibrium equation? Okay, tama. So kapag nag-summation tayo ng forces y o summation ng forces vertical, assuming all upward forces as positive, so ano equation mabubuo natin? Diba 2p steel plus p ng bronze is equals to 12 kips. So with that, I will name this as my equation number 1. Okay, next equation. So because of this the increase in temperature, so i-check natin guys kung sino yung unang maaapektuhan o kung aling material dito ang may kung aling material dito sa dalawa, do sa steel and bronze, yung magi-increase in size kapag na-apply yung 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So i-check lang natin para lang tama do sa proportion ng ating drawing. So let's just say yung 100 degrees Fahrenheit nga, di ba? So alpha. So unahin natin si steel rod. So we have 6.5. So times 10 to the negative 6 alpha lot times the length of the steel, which is 2. So i-multiply ko na lang ng 12 to make it in inches. And then delta T, so times 100. Okay, so ito is 0.0156. Isulat ko lang dito na maliit 0.0156. And then yung isa, yung for bronze. So bronze, alpha. So we have 10 times 10 to the negative 6. So mas malaking value ng alpha niya, no? Pero yung length niya mahaba din. So alpha times length na 3. So times 12 to make it in inches times 100. So that is 0.036. Okay, so tama, mas haba yung bronze. So ibig sabihin nun, so ito, labelan ko na lang. Ito yung magiging deformation due to the temperature for bronze. So si steel mas maikli lang, 'di ba? Kasi mas matigas nga ito. Ayan. So ayan, yan yung magiging deformation. Kasya ba doon? So deformation due to the temperature of the steel. Okay. So ito ganun din kasi steel lang din siya. Ayan. So ito is deformation temperature due to the steel. Okay, next. So again, meron pa tayong apply load P. So ibig sabihin, para mag-reach siya dito sa final position na to, ito will be the deformation due to the load or the actual load P for the steel. And for this one, ito will be yung deformation due to the P, load P, for the bronze. So ito kapareho lang sa isa. So deformation for the load P of the steel. So with this diagram, so we could say, so sabihin ko na lang na FB dito to. Okay guys, ito kasi may mangyayari kasi sa dulo nito. So ito inassume ko dito kung paano inassume nung libro yung magiging deformation niya. But then again, yung final answer mo will tell you if tama ba yung naging assume mo do sa drawing. So later on, malalaman nyo yan. So next, considering FBD 2. Okay? So what will be the equation? So di ba yung deformation due to the temperature for the steel plus yung deformation due to the actual load P for the steel is equals sa deformation and temperature for the bronze plus sa deformation due to the load P for the bronze. So ano mangyayari dito? So ito is mapapalitan lang. So ano nga yung kanina nating temperature for the steel? So ito, di ba? Tama ba? Sulat na lang natin 0.0 para hindi na natin sulat yung equation. Plus, so di ba meron tayong P o yung actual deformation na plae. So P of the steel multiply by the length of the steel rod na 2. So again, multiply mo ng 12 to make it in inches over A na 0.75 and then multiply by 29 times 10 to the 6. So equals dun sa ating temperature for the bronze na 0.036. and then plus P steel, so P bronze times the length, which is 3, then multiply by 12 over the area na 1.5, and then 12 times 10 to the 6. Okay, so this will be our equation number 2. So i-rewrite nyo lang, nakagaya dapat nitong equation na to. And then with that, we have 2 equation, 2 unknown. So when you solve for equation 1 and equation 2, so what will be the value of P steel and what will be the value for P bronze? So pindutin natin. Okay guys, so yung gamitin natin calcu, pwede naman siyang elimination, but sabi ko nga, limited lang yung space natin, so indiretso nyo na lang sa calcu or solve nyo siya using elimination. 2 equation to ano. Okay, so ang napindot ko guys is 8,700 and 5,400. So for steel, 8,700, and for bronze, ayun, nag-negative 5,400 yung value niya. Okay, so ano bang ibig sabihin ito? So ito naman, hindi naman mali yung sagot natin. Ang nangyari lang dyan, nagkamali lang tayo ng assume. Kasi doon sa libro, ang ginawa niya, di ba inalis niya yung kinati niya sa dalawa, nag-section siya. So dito, yung naging assume kasi niya, yung temperature, so di ba magkakaroon ng deformation due to temperature. So kung mapapansin nyo kasi, mas mahaba yung naging deformation ng temperature ni bronze kasi mas malambot siya. Mas madali siyang humaba kapag naiinitan. So base doon sa kanyang material properties, yung alpha, di ba mas malaki yung value niya. Okay, so because of that, so anong nangyari kasi, eto, meron pa kasing, kasi kung tutusin naman, di ba kapag sinusuportahan to ng rod, tama naman na laging tension to lahat. So mali pala. So kung i-drawing mo pala siya ng tama, ganito pala dapat yung magiging itsura niya. So anuhin ko na lang yung drawing ha. Since mas mabilis ngang humaba si bronze because of temperature, so sabihin natin ito yung magiging temperature niya na. Ito yung sa steel, ito yung sa steel. Sorry, abaan pa natin yung kay bronze para masatisfy natin yung kung paano ba talaga ang magiging. So mangyayari pala kung may rod ka dito, kinay-carry niya, so ito tama na tension. Kasi ang mangyayari, ito babatakin pa niya dito. So di ba ito ang kanyang initial position? So dapat ito lang pala yung kanyang final position. So ibig sabihin, di ba compression to? So ito compress. Ito dapat pala pababa since mabilis nga humaba si bronze. Ang nangyari, compressive force yung na-produce mo dun dito. Pababa pala siya dapat. And then ang tensile lang is steel. So therefore, kung yan ay compression, ito, meron ka ditong deformation due to the load P ni bronze. Ang mangyayari, itutulak niya pabalik doon kasi ito compression nga eh. And then itong si steel, di ba nandito si steel nung temperature. So si steel, hahaba pa siya kasi tension pa siya dito. Ayan. So magkaaroon ka pa dito ng deformation due to the temperature. Temperature ni deformation P of the steel. So magiging equation mo pala is ganito. So deformation due to the temperature of the steel plus deformation due to the load P of the steel is equals deformation of the temperature of the bronze. So since ito nga yung temperature, ang nangyari, binalik niya doon. So minus the temperature, the delta, the load P of the bronze. So plus, then plus, minus. Ano? So ito pala dapat pababa.
Wow!
Ito pababa pala dapat. And then ito, i-atras niya pabalik. Ano? Okay, so anyway, wala namang mali. Nangyari lang, the negative sign will tell you na mali yung naging assume natin. O mali yung naging assume, bro. So, but then again, tuloy lang natin yan, wala namang problema. Kasi, sabi nga, the negative sign lang will indicate to you that mali yung naging assume mo sa drawing. So, either panghawakan mo siyang ganun, mali, but same direction, but yung value niya is still negative, or ang gawin mo, itama mo na yung direction niya and then palitan mo to ng positive. Okay. So, stress lang naman ang ino-compute dyan. No worries. Stress ni steel is equals to P. Walang kamatayang P over A. That is equals to 8,700 pound divided by the area of the steel rod given naman sa problem na 0.75. We have an answer for the steel. So, pindutin lang natin. So, 8,700 divided by 0.75. So, that is, so divide ko ng 1,000. So, 11.6 PSI. So, ito is tama in tension. Okay. And then, yung isa, si bronze, ganun lang din. P over A. So, lagay mo. So, negative 5,400. So, 5,4 na lang. And then, divided by 1.5. So, si bronze has stress. So, ito yung compression. 5,4 divided by 1.5. So, ito is 3.6 PSI. Ayun! So, this is your final answer. Okay, guys. So, ito walang situation B. Pero, gagawa natin para mas maunawaan nyo yung sinabi ko kanina. Yung ipinalawanag ko kung paano ba dapat siya magdi-deform. Okay? So, malay nyo do sa situation na yon mas magets yung sinasabi ko. Okay guys, so for case number 2, so ang gagawin naman natin dito, ano yung temperature na kailangan natin para yung steel mo lang ang magdadala ng 12 kips. Ayan, medyo maganda na to. Kasi nga, kung napansin niyo doon sa una nating situation, di ba yung bronze, mas mabilis siyang humaba kapag naiinitan. So because of that elongation, merong certain length kung saan lahat ng load mo is yung steel na lang yung magdadala. Okay. So simulan natin. I-drawing na muna natin yung kanya magiging free body diagram. So parang yung kanina, ano? So since ako ay hindi pa hirap na hirap talaga ako gamitin to, anig muna kayo ng music.
Alam mo ba na hindi kita gugustuhan? Pangit ang ugali mo. Kaya sinta, sana ay huwag ka nang magka-iba na pag-ibig sa'yo. Ikaw ay anghel
Okay, so balik tayo. So again, upon the increase in temperature, so ito nga yung unknown, yung bronze rod mo is magkakaroon ng ganitong deformation. So ito, so pangalan natin as delta T for the bronze. Okay? So next, so since yung mag-carry na lang ng yung 12 kips, ano bang bigat niya? Tama, yung 12 kips niya is itong steel rod na lang. Therefore, tigilan sila ng dadalhin nung dalawang steel rod. Okay, kung 12 to, so since symmetrical naman yan, so tama. Ito, meron kang 6 skips dito, and sa kabila, meron ka ding 6 skips. So meron ka rin dito, so 6 skips and 6 skips. Okay, so di ba yung ating steel rod, mas maikli yung naging deformation niya sa temperature. So ito, gawin natin hanggang dito lang siya. So as for dun sa kabila. So this will be the deformation or the delta T for the steel. And then yung remaining niya, ito will be for the due to the axial load or the axial deformation. So from here up dun sa final position, so that will be the deformation due to the load P of the steel. Ayan. So deformation due to the load P for the steel. So with that, with this diagram, I could say that yung equation natin will be so the deformation due to the temperature for the bronze is equals sa deformation due to the temperature for the steel. Oops. For the steel plus the axial deformation due to the load P for the steel. So if you're going to substitute the values, so for bronze, what is alpha? So that is 10 times 10 to the 6 multiplied by the length of the bronze. So you have 3. Again, multiply mo ng 12 to make it in inches. Multiply by delta T. Ito na nga yung unknown. That is equals dun sa alpha ng steel. So 6.5 times 10 to the negative 6 multiply by L. So times 2 and then 12 times the delta T. And then isulat ko na lang dito sa baba. So plus yung plae. Or that is 6. So kips yan. So gawin kong times 1,000. And then yung length ng iyong steel rod which is 2. So multiply mo ng 12 all over A na 0.75 and then times E na 29 times 10 to the. Okay, so with that, mahanap natin yung change in temperature required para mag-carry lang ng load is yung C, steel rod. So, pindutin lang natin. So, ito muna unahin ko yung delta T. So, 10 times 10 to the negative 6 times 3 times 12. So, transpose ko to, yung 6.5. So, minus 6.5 times 10 to the negative 6. Then times 2 times 12. Okay, so we have 2.04 and then lipat ko sa kabila, so magiging divide siya or times raised to negative 1. So times 6 times 1,000 times 2 and then times 12. So divided by 0.75 divided by 29 times 10 to 6 equals. Okay. So, ang increase in temperature mo pala para si ano na lang yung mag-carry is 32.4544 or 32.4544 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is your final answer. So ito yung required temperature para si steel na lang yung mag-carry ng load. Okay guys, so that ends our discussion for this module number 3. So please try to answer all the problems, all the practice problems dun sa inyong libro ng Strength of Materials ni Pytel and Singer. So again, gaya dun sa mga previous module, so please try to solve random problems. So 15 siya. And pakisulat na lang ako sa bond paper. So again, ako naman, hindi ko naman nire-record ng engineering lettering as long as kayo yung nagsosolve. Masaya na. Okay guys, so see you sa sunod nating video discussion for the next module. So to be uploaded soon. Thanks! And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, ring the bell notification to receive regular updates for new videos. And if you have some request or kung may gusto nyo pagawa sa akin for my new content, message nyo lang.